Oh, why drink it? Basa send this for me more. Hey, oh, why drink it? Basa send this for me more. Hey,
Akurana mama sresa I want drink it send this for abamu abusia yako say yako akwabi say friend is sesu oso ye lawyer o say lawyer or ye the MP for Medina lawyer sesu I know you're the member of parliament for Medina ono so say
within the 24-hour economy no ye be share adwuma say from 6 o'clock into obi be 6 ebe bo be say 2 no na wapon. The second set ebeko from Satu no ebeko 10 no so upon. The third set beko be 10 and upon 6 no appointing 8 hours bia no nipa eye adwuma.
A few moments later,
Sit on Twitter and TikTok and make the noise and see whether noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint that gives you about, let's say, 200 Ghana cedis profit a day, and you have about 10 of those Indomie joints? How much are you making a day? Ghanaians and young people must begin to look at entrepreneurship as a way out of the youth unemployment situation. Otherwise, I fear that we may just crash, and that is the honest truth. Jenny, MPG, come out and I saw me. That's a year.
why drink it? Basa send this for me more. Hey,
abusia what MP o when he was after power or catch the youth of Medina said he is coming to create job where 24-hour economy shift. Uye youth don't worry. Ajuma ba kubia enipa miensa na beye. Na sasa na mbisa ma say how are they going to implement it? How are them going to implement it? People said no, the NDC is capable of doing it. Passport office, Ombeye Juman Premier, we call now we yaba, and people suddenly fall love into these lies. Akoto abana de ama papa no waba ene asema papa ne kan kire ye ne se yenko na yenye den yenko ton Indomie at a different joint enti Accra na wanya Indomie joint be se num ensia enson enne be ma osika na Ghana for ya so etene. In the past, NDC told Ghanaian youth to say if you want job go and collect stones from the bush. Na for be go kwanchem beton. Ye kan ya kama ni say yenko twetwa enwura emeton. We did not listen to them. And Nanado told Ghanaians something that is very, very interesting. I'll say, any poor buyer went to me on Kania for the just first 8 hours of the shift. You know, how do you believe he can provide light for 24 hours continue? Ghanaians didn't take any seriousness of what Nanado said. And then what? Yes, you could turn Indomie. Ko na koton Indomie. Abusha me do besia some particular problem because we have to end here. But ubet me afre na watch the wadwen e wo commercial e wo platform we so. Me din ene Mr. Mafo ha e Ras Media GH. Me so se fre na kire wadwen na yenko yanim. Ai yenko yanim nko. Na me video we me pese me mo na Ghana phone tie bi. How Mahama is a liar. Muntie. Abraham Etchen course.
All the problems you have with your allowances and everything. And we're going to come and make things better for you. We're going to come and restore automatic posting so that when you come out of school, you can get a job as quickly as possible. Maizu. And your younger brothers and sisters who are going to come after you, when they come to the first year, they are not going to pay any school fees. We're going to continue all the hospitals that are being built so that we can employ as many of you as possible.
Mami, are you announcing?
Yes, what do you boko?
Yeah, the young couple was it.
I'm calling no him away.
Opia hoye pa. Mami.
Papa ya ujina hoya or kase.
Uh-huh.
Credible.
Uh-huh.
Or your contacts.
Yeah.
Now, Obia or your contacts piano. He don't deserve to lead a nation.
Absolutely no.
But yen Ghana for no. Yen she a ye fe. Obia Mr. Mafu or what a junior a mudo. Na a mudon. On tiesa papa with that.
Dabi.
But and now set ya junior people so listen to him. Na sisi and me person me pusa Ghana for said your man akabutum. Are they happy with it? Because someone happy work so she and why you Sunday football year mukoboya opisi you could 40% near the 30% abroad.
Yes.
And as you could 70% near the 30% abroad. Look at that.
Very disrespectful.
This man,
Very disrespectful.
Yeah. Oh, yes. And Mahama is selfish. Or you greedy. Nani bradier. Na obia nani bradier be also your cromfo.
Oh, I need a natural. When you brad or your cromfo.
Obia nani bradier be until right from Tana. Na President Mahama or your vice. The crown only started free. But me crop for me, you moon na come say. Ya dream, ya watching how. Because that was when you need to discover say papa na urban or your common. Na some of the chances so as that time na aka ya former president when you be ni baby ko na o discover Mahama character eba. Hope so o in free ho. Hope so o yi Mahama e free na memo. So at the end, because na papa no na Mahama ma or Mahama kwan. My name, my person didn't maybe tata na mamu. So therefore, what do we need to do?
Get rid of him.
Yes. Omuwe ye na pa. And Mahama baby president. And omu ya confirm omu support to Mahama. They did support him and they loot. Omu ria omagana. When you na antre Ghana for. Omu vote no kwa bonten o se obia wo so wo kwa Mr. Maf wo so wa wi enam na mana yeden akadompe. That was the second lesson emam. So be catch you say aduane na wo disi jade no madi ama chance to ne si wa next time wo beja wo aduane asi wo bi
Dabida.
But enam se Ghana yare adwene mu hawunti no omu sa do mu kokro mu te koto abadema papa wi se masesa. Say, Omuba, you catch them say, enjoyment now, joining or more enjoyment is the handwork of Nanado and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and MPP government. Adrian no more yede. Omu just see one, and then Mahama yede 80. But after 2026, no, in the middle now, just the quarter, and you be who say, Mahama Mumu be feeling.
Yeah.
See a casa,
yeah, of course.
And then you own pepone. No one junior say, Nina no poor mine or minor or beji iron or handle over the man or poor man or yaumu. But still yet, no, Wamagana of one or yawu said you are more mukum. One junior woman or can some full fan and not the doctor like the Mahmoud Bawumia or 2 women the public say they are not credible. But now, who is credible now, Mama? You be so. Who but the did Nana Watam, who did Dr. Mahmoud Baumiatam, who did MPP attempt to the whole Ghana, and what the whole world. Papa and you and someone would say, wow, what I say. Russia, Ukraine, any Russian Tokano, Ebeha, Mahama. Now, one to me and some who say, to see now, me make crime, me some Africa say, because that again,
Yes.
you have to smart. Be or some tune upon no one papa, would do papa, no one upon anything can happen. But so we appear we Christo Nina soon Yamia. You pray all the time, say, and macarami to be on your day, and see what when.
Yes.
That's how human you live. But Muhammad the Kasa, if we are saying it, dear, if we are saying it, dear, on care, on done 1 minute, one more to tell him when a bush young country is said, and then I saw for no wood in the chin said, or one can tell some hammer. This word doesn't belong to you. It is a war casa, actual young politician. Kasem papa a family. The Pasia catcher and this for say, Nanado, any year papa for. They are the best president, our mobility Ghana.
Yeah.
And there is no doubt. Napa Wumiana, who Ibrahim, at 2 Sikabu Rium, at the man for so mundina demo. All this Tenamunamobatuyan was implemented. Nanado, Emma, Pawumia Quine, Emma Nia, Nima be pray. Mahama, because Nanadu future ever Bawumiam.
Yeah.
Nanadu said, Papa, some fan who patami one. That is a Ghana cost of a Mukrana or be a poem. Nanadu and Papa phone future ever Bawumiam. But yet Ghana for it yet. You set your big destroy papa no.
Yeah.
But me person me catch Ghana for no say. Dear Onyankopon or didn't say no. I'm telling you with the gospel to move to me send that.
Absolutely no.
And some form kapa for papa you win no. Mo mutu na ede dibano. Some of mutu na ede dibano.
Yeah.
Yan fa no chinchan Ghana for say we ye cremoniti yem peno. Onye Kristo ni nti yempe no. Mr. Mafo, and then we are seen to almost a friend Baumia.
Yeah.
Who are you? Who Ghana ni now who feel who can come on what promises no? Who so won't pay Baumia? And so now the Crofu Frost in Yana, Quamu Yede, and Quamu pay.
Yeah.
Quamu pay. Musamuka fat or more or more by Jimu, a free, a genimu, a democracy. Omo buy omo yi mu free nsuo no asa dia ye den akoto ojem.
Yeah.
Mahama mamu we ka nka mu bu kura nkaye. And there is more to come because in Tokwai omo kunwe. Eni ye papa Trump gina ha ka say wakum omo nyina wanka so wakum omo nyina o say omo from so omo ye superior leaders no. Omo nyina wo metie news na behwen ne face expression now. Who best they are all dead.
Yeah.
They are all dead. No more superior.
Yeah.
No more superior. Not me the Hana me woman night. So what you say? Eti ade we soon try na na. But not na do poor Ghana for COVID. Russia Ukraine war. Adriani ni ho eponko plane ko bibianko. Who papa sa panyimu we ya. Sabita fata ye nim sa adrimu ali and the war so. To me now, Edina Nadwatem, extra Ghana phone in say Russia Ukraine war in here. So today, no one and also some fat camera and see the no some country say, your friend said, way any America from Topan, Israel from Topan, and bear Ghana. One America being true, and I am to me can't true. Papa penny muti tinta sio ego predecessor so ade papa penny mu asabita project woni nyansa wona wosio so woni nyansa so na na ado ene ba womia na so wo ba ye no ewiase nyina ye den ewiase nyina hu say wo ye criminal. You don't love your people, you love their money. Who pass who be where woman, Ubelutu, no creating what a near ma, more cassa movia. Mr. Mafu, cocoa for day. Menamana margin boom, margin a boom. But to me, can I hope some who say, ha, almost one year mutin in a real, almost saying your boat. Now, what gun and you would what to me, Busan say, a tintino to me, yes, our boat, no more cocoa for one over Catom, or Musica, or Mujama, or Monodos, and another Jordan from what the Mawa.
Yeah.
Be precise. A dear boldness. That is what someone would trust the partner, Mr. Mafu. Who's see a dear way? And this is one respected Ghana for open some way more.
Yeah. Munimunyansan.
So what I said?
Yeah.
She LGBTQ was somewhere by ye. Munim say, ya kaye. Ya catch them, Dr. Mahmoud Baum, ya catch them, fan and run what best fine. Because that year will crown. I brought for a year break time.
Yeah, baby.
So
Yeah.
at the end of free one mukuru hakran. A year break time. So what you say? Now we better almost say we buy out some judge said or buy out one sapra. And me suffer man castle said me am suffer than you also siama.
Yeah.
But my you left the platform.
Yeah.
Because one to me and delete as some way as the suffer. When you know mutu manuguna nadu, when you nara mutuna manuguna nadu. Emma, woman you now baba das said, ya das some Mahamas or bow best fine. Because she and me busa Ghana for any money nana say, or bear was fine. And no what they the propaganda. Because or no, what's so mubo? What's so mubo? Mahama says to balls than in Nantama, and then you bring me talent, Omlan or Messan. Only be Mr. Mafo, Mahama hasn't got a boss. Only be on to me inside that, not your fraconyaso. So what you say? Mutana homa among foot me that damn say that. I'm one of them Mahama bar power. They don't mean well for Ghana.
Absolutely.
They don't mean well. Because Omudian said, Nanado emphasis canning momuni. But we in Tanzania, you have to think, say, there was a crony biba Akura or orphan or school. Nanado didn't just stop giving you people man. Now, according to Mukrano, not a man for one, you can't say, it's a kind of form, so the other day. At the prayer warm media for, but depending on deliver Sicano. The cano and then deliver Sicano. And Ama media phone, they hate Nanado and they hate MPP. But me in particular, no. Me, yes, and Nanado, me a media near on first camera me and son, my poor man, because and you see, the crony in a sayo, a papo, yen in a yetim. Muamuko family by Kania Kani, or Muntria bi. Petro Moyade, and the UK has say, Asda, you can't say, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Petro, there's no petrol, no petrol, baby. So what you say, there's no petrol anywhere. If you can open in a month when you break, petrol ni baby. Before me banus boy in so Germany, also sa petrol, and why a diama, the sea a juma
Yes.
Oh, it is only part where you're penny. Now who be on my swat. Know how to communicate in public. Know how a certain words won't come out from your mouth.
Yeah.
But Mahama, handkerchief for son, Nano, a soul, so want some on an appointment in a Omupa no mabe share go because Omupa not consonant, and some over do consonant. Now, I nipa all be host no. Nani every fire day. I am ready that, and Nani Momo na day. No, it will be Tanawa and Quasadin obey a day, or be Shaman day. Aka. Na yena yet ya. Na me warn it Ghana for. Namasa warn it and this say. The real say and walk and mam afiball. And a Juma would di Ghana for no. Dako, unyami be brio money. And a Ghana for so no. Omu ye weak e won paibom. Their spiritual weak. Eti na sankrofo we nyina enya wo. Nti na asofo no kura nyina enya wo. If you are good in prayers and we are good and we trust Erade a, it will be difficult for enemy to get you. So what you say?
Yeah.
No, omu nyina ye weak nti no. Eti na esi edun katia tumi kwakyekyere. Wo mo de hihye nto wo mo no. Esi edun katia na nyowa se ayi abrekyere nyowa no. So what you say? Na Ghana for mo hwe bibi ye. Mo nwene mo mada ache ho. So obekwa akwaje 2,000, 30,000. Na wo di akoto aba ka hu say one day no Ibrahim Mahama onni ho ade bi odi 30,000 ebe baba ye dey. Ababa be show photo because e dey bia no wa wo to one you don't know what is tomorrow. You don't know what is ahead you. It's mo nwene mo hwe kwan o mo di wuntumi de fast. Mo hwe kwan ya Ghana fo untumi nya hwio. Onya hwe. Na ade o mo so untumi ye no, omo ye the worst than untumi de no. But it wasn't true. Untumi nya bibia so. Mo fa no kra nya mfato mu ketewa bi. These people has no human soul living in them. They are so wicked. And this for you wicked. Na omo amba mo Ghana for. Ufi so omo dwere mo ho. Omo de mo ye de. Na won ti say yes sasusa omo kwankwa enkotonton Indomie. What say no?
Ai. O say no ye adwuma foforo aba no no.
Tu de ma minya wonsia. A de koye de oye. E kire fa yi sasu kwasia na no pafo se prekwa no. So no so de bra na yentie. Na me sure be Mr. Mafu me share with you for bye bye.
Bye ma me nyamin ka. Yeah, ma